So what's up, guys? Chilling out here in Arizona City. Whew. It's hot. It's hot today. Fuck. Feels like 100. It's super humid out here, but whatever. I'm still gonna do something. So if you guys haven't seen the video with the wheel paint stripping, you should go check that out. I haven't done anything to it just because the weather's just been blistering hot. It's been hotter the past couple days, but still it's hot. So I'm gonna work in the shade today. And I'm gonna be installing some rear seats if I can get all this other crap out of here, including this. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, so I'm in the back now. It's a little cramped in here. Obviously this isn't the biggest car in the world, so I'm pretty much gonna test fit the retract, like the bottom part for the lap for the seat belts. It pretty much should bolt in here as well as here and somewhere. That's for the actual like locks. It's funny because you can actually see right through to the bottom of the ground. It's not showing, but you can actually see right through to the bottom. Okay, so I actually wanted to kind of like, I don't know, kind of get an answer or a weird explanation or just something. So I've been searching around since the beginning for like rear seats for this car, and for the most part I've been seeing like the triangle thing like up here for most, and I think it starts probably around like 1992 and on, or 91, because like 89s and 90s the lap part actually is like here on the lap. This, I think other than adjustment, it doesn't like move, so it's a pretty interesting way on how it actually like latches, but other than kind of like tightening it like a belt or whatever, this is it. So when I got the car, it didn't have anything but this, and I literally had no idea how this worked. I'm like, what? So when I put it in, I'm actually show you how it works. It's interesting, but it's weird because there's literally no like retraction. It's just swivels. That's it. So yeah, I'm gonna, I don't know, I'll explain it when I put it in. Okay, so this part is in now. Pretty easy, bolt on. So now I'm just gonna explain this. So first we've got like this thing, right? I'm like, what? And then if you see here, it's like, okay, let me drop this. If you see here, if I just turn this to the side, you actually see like this like hole pretty much where that plastic or metal latch is supposed to go. So pretty much the whole seatbelt would pretty much look like this. So yeah, that is supposed to go in there. Like that. Come on. Damn it. So yeah, it's supposed to latch on like that, and it actually kind of just stays there. So pretty much this becomes the shoulder, like this whole setup becomes a whole belt, and then this comes over your, okay, it's locking. This comes onto your lap, and then this goes on over your shoulder, just like that, which is interesting, but it's so weird. They had to make it so extra. Oh, Asian people. Actually, it goes right through the chassis. I don't know how to show that, but you can see light. I'll probably show it in a different clip, but you can like literally see right through to the other side, and you can see it in the wheel well. Kind of weird, but I don't know. If it leaks, I'm screwed. It is the hole for the retraction assembly for the seat belt, for the lap belt. You can see it right through under in the wheel well, which is funny. So it's pretty much in, it's locked in now. That is in there. Seatbelts are in, seatbelts are in. Damn wire. Battery cable wire was a problem. But it's in now. Now we just have to put it in the back. Oh god. So before I put this in, just wanted to say that these brackets, pretty much the most important part, these things make the top part of the seat swivel. So yeah, he didn't actually give me the hardware, but this is like an M6 bolt that I was able to find, and it works nice and solid. He gave me the hardware for this though, which is obviously important. And the latch system, works in unison. Like if I pull on this side, the other side will also pull up. It was loose and squeaking, so I just sprayed a little bit of WD-40 in there, and it's all good. The issue is you actually have to put those in first before you put that in. Oh man. Alright, let's get to it. So I'm back outside. I just put it in and realized I made a mistake. So as you can see in this one, they go like, I put it like that because I thought that was the most logical way, but when I was putting it in, this just seat didn't line up. Like this was too high and the latches didn't like line up. So what I think you're supposed to do is like pretty much that. And then bolt it up to the seat. So I mean, it's a learning experience, but it is honestly a pain in the ass, and it's so humid out here. Oh god. So the rear seat is finally in. Oh, it took a while. There, everything, all the components are completely in. It's not bad. Obviously you have like almost zero, you have like -1 headroom. Like everything works, the latches and all that. I do have the carpet, but I'm gonna put it in after. It's solid. That's pretty sick. So yeah, there's some progress to this car. Probably do another video after. Probably fixing this latch thing. It's easy fix, and I might probably install some passenger side mirror, because mine's is cracked at the front, and that's it. So that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.